Do you use your LinkedIn profile for your personal brand? No? I think that's the best time to change it, and let me give you a couple of tips and tricks and hacks how to do it and what is important so your brand will be visible on LinkedIn profile. Hi, I'm Kathy from katythebusinesscoaching.com, and today I definitely want to talk with you about my second favorite social media, just second after YouTube. This is LinkedIn. It's not just your online CV, not anymore, but it's definitely a place where you can find the business associate, business cooperators, your prospects, your future clients, your amazing connections from the past and amazing connections for the future. If you're in the search for the job or you want to change a career, that is the place where you can connect with people from the industry that you want to work with. First and foremost, if you don't have a profile on LinkedIn yet, then definitely do it. Open it and immediately fill in all the gaps over there. The information about your studies, your achievements, your job, including the job descriptions and including your achievements in each of jobs. Don't forget also to put your clear name and surname so people can address you with your proper name. Once you have your profile on LinkedIn, you need to think about your picture. I wouldn't go there for a picture from the party that you've been on. Try to keep your picture very professional and very clear. And if you don't have such a picture and you don't want to run quickly to the photographer, simply ask somebody from around you, your friend, your family member, to take a picture of you. Then focus on your background photo. There you can go a bit more crazy. Why only a bit? Because it should be connected and related to your brand. It should be connected to what is your goal with your brand. If you're looking to change your professional from A to B, definitely on the background put something that is connected to that B future work that you're gonna do. People will actually take a look on that more on your picture in the background and associate with you, and then start reading your profile. Another thing that you can make standing out in your profile on LinkedIn is definitely the short description that is just below your name. There you can write things like, I help people managing their lives, or I help people change a career, or I help people and I save people from boring workshops, boring presentations, and boring speeches like I used to have. Think also about this, that LinkedIn is sort of a search engine for employers, and if somebody from HR or a headhunter is looking over there, they will search for keywords like account manager, business coach, public speaker, lawyer. Put there in the short description the keyword that describes you and your brand. This way you will be easier to find for your audience. After short description, the long description follows. That's a place where you can put, I believe, up to the 1,300 signs. So enough for you to make a bit of a story about yourself and share a bit more than just where you worked. Think about your goals, write there things connected with your future as well. Be a storyteller. Short one, but still a storyteller. Do not forget to list your skills. Below the list of your recent jobs and your education, there is a short place where you can put in your skill. Start with the hard skills if those are important in your work, and move on to soft skills as well. Are you communicative? Are you engaging with people? Are you a positive thinker? That could be also a very good thing, and people in your industry might look for that. If they do, definitely that's the skill that you want to have there as yours. Around the place where you can list your skills, there is a place for recommendations. You can ask for recommendations any person from your connection. So if you think that your former boss could say something good about you, connect with that person if you didn't yet, and definitely ask him or her for recommendations in written. Anybody can put the recommendation over there and describe also what type of business connection you had between yourselves. You and only you is the person who will make this recommendation visible. You can also ask a person to review the recommendation you can tell them like, hey, you made a mistake over there. I would be happy if you correct that before I'll put that recommendations on my profile. Before we move to the last tip today, I would be very happy seeing you subscribing to the channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course leave the comment and questions if you have any connected with personal branding, public speaking, business development, both online and offline. Let me know, I'll be happy to cover it in my future videos. My last tip, which is not actually the last tip of all the tips I could give you for LinkedIn, it's connected to being active. As active as you are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, on any other social media, be active also on LinkedIn. This way you can grow connections. This way you can gain exposure. This way you can gain visibility. How to be active? Like their posts, like their articles, comment on their articles, but you can also write the articles yourself. You can write a daily update. Yes, daily update. You can also put the longer articles that are with pictures, with descriptions, with links. It's all up to you what you're gonna do there, as long as you will keep it within your brand. Thank you for today, and I hope to see you next week when we're gonna talk about how to record the videos for social media, especially for YouTube, but not only, with your mobile phone only. I will have a couple of amazing tips for you next week about that. See you then, and I hope you will take a look also on my other videos around my channel. Bye!